Today we're looking at the 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X in an onyx black. This one is powered by a 3.0 liter Duramax diesel engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our obsidian rush interior, leather heated and ventilated seats on both sides, with our AT4X badging in the middle and our white accent stitching along the side. If we follow our stitching all the way down to the bottom left, you'll find our power seat controls to go alongside our massage seat settings. Up top, we do have our leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. And inside, you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Right below that, we do have our push-start ignition, as well as our ventilated heated seat controls, our dual climate controls, additional storage here down below with our USB-C and USB charge ports, 2 cup holders, our shifter, additional storage here at the bottom. And inside of our middle console, we do have our wireless charging pad to go alongside our USB-C and USB charge port and AC outlet. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that we have our power adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle we have our power locks and our seat memory settings, and over here you'll find our park brake, our drive modes, and our automatic high beam controls. If we take a look up in the windshield, you'll find our heads-up display. And moving along to the steering wheel here on the right hand side, you'll find our voice recognition and go alongside our menu selector here in the middle. On the left-hand side, you'll find our forward collision alert to go alongside our cruise control settings and our heated steering wheel controls. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside the rear view camera and all of your settings here down below. Up top, we have our rear view mirror digital display that you can turn on and off to your liking. And last but not least, we have our universal home garage opener, power controls for our rear sliding window, and our power controls for our sunroof up top. Jumping onto the back, we still have our obsidian rush interior leather heated seats on both sides. Plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. Of course, in the middle, we have our heated seat controls to go alongside our USB-C and USB charge ports, 2 vents, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat, there is cubbies with additional storage. Speaking of storage, inside the seats itself, it does come equipped with additional space, as well as underneath. Last but not least, in the middle, we have our cup holders and our power sliding rear window. Checking out the exterior here on our AT4X, of course we have our GMC badge in the middle of our grille with our front-facing camera, LED headlights and fog lamps along the side, paint protection along the front of the vehicle here as well, and down below we do have our Goodyear Wrangler tires. Up top we have our power adjustable side mirror controls, as well as our handles here with keyless entry, tint in the rear window, and if we make our way to the back, you'll find our hard top tonneau cover up top, corner assist steps on each side, with our exhaust and spare tire at the bottom. Of course, last but not least, we do have our multi-pro tailgate. To control it, top button gets you the first half down, no problem. You can also turn it into a step when needed, and if you press the second button, it'll come down all the way to lead you to our spray-on bed liner and our 120 volt outlet. Inside the Multi-Pro, you'll find our kicker speakers that do come equipped with Bluetooth capability as well as USB. And again, you'll find these controls right here. And that is our 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X in an onyx black. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team as we're here to help with any questions you may have.